I love OnePlus. They make some of the best Android phones, provide some of the best Android experience, and are usually priced really well. All the reasons why I was so excited about the OnePlus 8T. For a reasonable price, you get what appears to be a complete flagship package. Well, I finally managed to get one in the form of a pop-up bundle, so let's unbox it and have a first look. I'm Rohan from TechieTechTech and here we go. First impressions of the box? It is gigantic. I know the pop-up bundle contains a few extra goodies and the size of this box definitely makes me feel extra optimistic. As soon as you take the lid off, you are greeted by the OnePlus 8T in its standard retail packaging and the incredibly dope looking quantum bumper case. The case actually looks really good and I am very impressed by the packaging OnePlus does on its accessories. Moving on, we have the OnePlus Buds beneath it. I have never actually used one of these, but trust me, I am really happy that these are included in the package. The OnePlus Bullets would have been fine too, but OnePlus went the extra step by including the OnePlus Buds and I genuinely appreciate it. Next up, we have the standard retail box of the OnePlus 8T that you will get if you order the phone now. Let's pace through it quickly since this is pretty standard OnePlus stuff. We have the phone itself and then we have this leaflet with all the paperwork. The free case is placed beneath the leaflet this time around, while usually the case is inside the leaflet. Then we have the charging Type-C to Type-C cord and the monster 65-watt charger that is actually one of the biggest selling points of the OnePlus 8T. We will be sure to test it out and let you know more about it in our full review. Anyways, let's put that all to the side and look at the phone itself. As you can see, we have the aquamarine green color variant and it looks great. It actually has a glossy finish to it. I was expecting the matte finish that is found on the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro because it feels more premium. This finish is more similar to the OnePlus Nord's glass back. Regardless, it does feel really smooth and good in the hand. The aluminium sides of the phone have a matte finish like the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro and the buttons are really clicky and tactile. Of course, we also have the standard OnePlus mute slider here, which is a very useful addition not found in other Android phones. There is a Type-C port at the bottom along with the bottom firing speaker, the microphone and the SIM tray. I genuinely love the fact that the OnePlus 8T does not have a large camera bump like many other phones these days. Smaller camera bumps accumulate less dirt and are just easier on the eye as compared to gigantic camera bumps that are growing more and more common. Let's do some quick size comparisons before we sign off. Here is the OnePlus 8T next to the OnePlus 8. We can clearly see the difference between the flat display of the 8T compared to the curved display on the OnePlus 8. From the back, the difference in their color shades can also be seen. Both the phones have small camera bumps, although the OnePlus 8T looks more like some Samsung phones with its camera bump to the top left, while the OnePlus 8 has somewhat of a unique design language of its own. Let's also bring our ultramarine blue OnePlus 8 Pro, which is slightly larger and heavier. The camera bump is also very large and deep on the 8 Pro compared to the 8T. Both these phones have 120Hz displays, although the one on the 8 Pro is curved while the 8T has a flat panel. What you like better is your personal preference. It will be really interesting to compare both these phones. Then we have the OnePlus Nord, which is roughly the same size but slightly lighter than the OnePlus 8T. Again, you can see a slight difference in the color shades of the back glass here. The OnePlus Nord is the more affordable of the two devices and I have actually had a lovely time using it. We'll make a comparison video of the OnePlus Nord versus the OnePlus 8T soon. Lastly, let's also throw in the beloved OnePlus 7T for good measure. The OnePlus 8T is the direct successor to the OnePlus 7T, which means it has to stand up to the legacy of a phone which was very well received when it launched. Let's see if it manages to do that. But for now, this will be it. Do let us know in the comment section below if you want any particular videos centered around the OnePlus 8T. Please like, share and subscribe to help the channel out. This has been Rohan from TechieTechTech and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.